Okay, so I am recording this. I want to talk about Tesla. Right now we're very balanced. We have we have our VIX spread that goes out until late August, so that's a bearish play, and then we're still long Xilinx. I'm looking at Tesla here, and remember they came out with their. If you look this morning, the word on Tesla was. Hang on a second, where did I put this? Hang on. There we go. After achieving record deliveries in the second quarter, Tesla is getting ready to increase EV production at its factory in Fremont. And then here's their quote: "While we can't be too specific in this email, I know you'll be delighted with the upcoming developments," wrote automotive president Jerome Guillen. Tesla said it has plans to produce significantly more than the 360 to 400,000 vehicles expected to be delivered in 2019, easing concern over demand for the company's cars. Okay, so that obviously was bullish news for them. We can see that today. It's actually trading close to. Let me pull this in here. TS. Okay, so obviously bullish for today. It's off its highs. So what I'm thinking here is, okay, the news is out. This isn't bearish in a classic sense, but But what I'm thinking is that we really don't have a whole lot of risk to the upside, and so if we look at that, and then we look at where implied volatility is, as we can see here, implied volatility is on the high end of stuff as it rallies. So if we can play this for a short amount of time, that it might make sense to sell a credit spread here, sell a credit call spread. And so I'm looking at clear this, looking at to the upside just till Friday. Looking at the 237.5, 240. Okay, that is the market now. It's 88 bid at 94. I would sell that at $1. And so if we sell it at $1, then our risk is $1.50, but it's only for 2.5 days. So so the question is, can we? The good news is out. Is any more good news going to come out of this? It's possible, but I don't think it's probable. So realizing that we have to rally a little bit to get in here, I'm going to put out this thing to sell it at $1, and we should probably if we get close to 237, we should be able to sell it there to even 236 3/4. So that's my thinking there, and if we do get filled there, then that also opens us up to the possibility of getting long something here, because I even though things are looking pretty darn positive, it is a little bit spooky. It is a little bit, I don't want to say spooky, but a little bit spooky to keep just getting long at higher and higher prices. Now, it's worked out so far, but I want to stay kind of balanced and have the ability to react if the market does. Either way. So right now we're flat. I would say I want to lead with the Tesla, which is it's a neutral to bearish play. Obviously, if we go rocketing up through 240, well, we lose 250 on the spread, less the dollar that we already collected. So we could lose $150 per one that we do. But I think this is an opportunity that I want to take advantage of. And if we don't get filled, we don't get filled. All right. Any questions on that? I did record this, not a long recording, but I want to try and play something from the credit side of things. So if there are no questions, let me get that signal together, and we'll get that out to you as soon as possible, and then I'll render this video, and we'll be good to go. All right, everybody?